So today we're at Asda and we've seen there's loads of plants here. So we're going to take a look and see what they've got here. So, Acers, Orange Dream, £10. Acer Siru, £10. Acroporium, £10. They're looking really healthy. Some baskets, £6, summer hanging basket. And we've got some lavender blue scent, £5. Tray of 6. Cordyline red, £8. Some older fronds there. We've got some buxus, £12.27. We've got grapes, grapevine petals and plants, £17. Some older plants there. Dianthus, £6. They're looking good. The bees are loving them. Summer fruits hanging basket, £10. Nice and colourful. Summer fruits hanging basket. All different colours, petunias. Nice selection. Rhododendron, £6. Peach, pink, and Campania, £6. These are really cool. Lavender, £5 for 6-pack. And lavender Clio patio, £5. More grapes. We've got white grape, £17. And black grapes, £17. They're looking really cool. More hanging baskets. Summer hanging baskets, £6. Another summer basket, £6. So lots more grapes, loads of grapes. More baskets. We've got some fuchsias, 3 for £5. For Copa, 3 for £5. More fuchsia, for Copa, and a dahlia, 3 for £5. More baskets, £10. And we've got little Acers, £5. Astro Pear and Orange Dreams, £5. These have got petunias in. We've got a Calabutia Ambra Planta, £10. That'll look nice when it's out in the colours. £10. So, there's a few other trolleys. There's a new one around there. We've also got some vegetables, strawberries, £1. Cucumber, 90p. Tomatoes, 90p. Carrots, £2. Leeks, cauliflowers, and sweet corn. Sweet corn looks good. Camellias, more of these, more lavenders. Stocking up of those lavenders. And the same again, the veg box. Cucumbers, courgettes, tomatoes, cucumbers, and strawberries, and peppers. There we go, it's a good selection. Sweet corn looks good.